Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tags in Microsoft Word. This should be a quick process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now first thing you need to do is open up your Word document, as you can see now. And now when you got the document ready, just go ahead to the top left, click on File. And now just go ahead, click on Info. After that, just go ahead to the right side where it says Properties. You're going to find there the tags, as you can see now. Just click on Add the tag and then add the tag you want. For example, I'm going to write example, and then you can add on any word you want. And add the comments if you would like to as well. And just type in, like I said, just type in any tag you want, any word. And that's how to use tags in Microsoft Word. This was a quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.